Looking for more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn 500 to 5,000 a month. No experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is e-commerce store setup. Many entrepreneurs want to sell products online, but don't know how to set up their stores. As an e-commerce expert, you'll help them launch their online businesses. Start by learning platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, which are perfect for beginners. Many clients pay 100 to 500 per store setup, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on understanding your clients' needs and delivering user-friendly stores. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by networking with local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Next is Google Ads management. Businesses rely on Google Ads to reach their target audience, and if you can manage these campaigns effectively, you'll be in high demand. As a Google Ads manager, you'll create and optimize campaigns to drive traffic and sales. Start by learning Google Ads Manager, which is the go-to tool for creating and managing campaigns. Many businesses pay $30 to $150 per hour for ad management services, depending on the size of the campaign. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out to small businesses that need help with their online advertising. With a bit of practice, you can turn this skill into a steady income stream. Third is ebook writing. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can write and sell ebooks online. As an ebook writer, you'll create valuable content that helps readers solve problems or learn new skills. Start by identifying a niche you're passionate about and creating a detailed outline. Many authors earn 100 to 5,000 per ebook, depending on the demand for their content. To get started, publish your ebook on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Gumroad. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a scalable income stream. Fourth is presentation templates. Businesses and professionals need professional-looking presentations to impress clients and stakeholders. As a presentation designer, you'll create custom templates that are both visually appealing and easy to use. Start by learning tools like Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides, which are widely used for presentations. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per template, depending on the complexity and your experience. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or reach out to businesses that need help with their presentations. With a bit of practice, you can build a reputation and attract higher paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy designing and want to tap into a growing industry. Finally, let's talk about Amazon product listings. With millions of sellers on Amazon, standing out is crucial. As an Amazon listing expert, you'll create optimized product titles, descriptions, and images that drive sales. Start by learning about Amazon SEO and keyword research. Many sellers pay $50 to $200 per listing, depending on the complexity and your experience. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or reach out to Amazon sellers directly. With a bit of practice, you can build a reputation and attract higher paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy writing and want to tap into a growing industry. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose e-commerce store setup, Google Ads management, ebook writing, presentation templates, or Amazon product listings, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn 500 to 5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.